Side effects of turmeric tea. Turmeric is receiving a lot of attention as a miracle herb that can fight off a host of diseases, including cancer. Many people choose to add this spice to tea to create a health-boosting infusion. However, turmeric tea can come with some serious downsides. In this video, we examine the side effects of turmeric tea, and be sure to watch to the end, where we outline the situations where you should never drink it. What is turmeric tea? Turmeric is the bright yellow spice that is commonly used in curries and sauces. It comes from the turmeric root. This ancient spice has been used for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties for centuries. Turmeric tea is simply any infusion that is brewed using either grated turmeric root or the pure powder. You can either add the turmeric yourself or buy a pre-prepared blend from a health food store. Turmeric tea is considered one of the most effective ways to consume the spice, and most people can take it safely without any adverse effects. However, if you are sensitive to turmeric, the tea can cause a range of problems and is best avoided. What are the possible side effects of turmeric tea? Turmeric tea has been known to cause a variety of issues in some people. These include stomach upset, nausea, dizziness, and diarrhea. In one report in the medical literature, a person who took high doses of turmeric experienced a dangerous, abnormal heart rhythm. Taking high amounts of turmeric has also been linked to poor absorption of iron. That's why turmeric tea should be used with extreme caution by people with a pre-existing iron deficiency. When should you never consume turmeric tea? Even though turmeric is generally a safe herb, you should not consume it if you have certain medical conditions, as it can make matters worse. Avoid turmeric tea if you have inflammation of the gallbladder or gallstones, obstruction of bile passages, or stomach ulcers. Turmeric has the potential to inflame these conditions and do more harm than good. If you have diabetes, it is advised to avoid drinking turmeric tea, as the turmeric can lower blood sugar and interfere with medications you are already taking. Turmeric has also been linked to an increased stomach acidity, which can aggravate ulcers and blood thinning. Because turmeric can thin your blood, you should stop drinking turmeric tea at least 2 weeks before any scheduled surgery. Also, do not take turmeric tea if you are on blood-thinning medications. What's the bottom line? Turmeric is a health-giving spice that is generally safe for most people to consume. However, it can cause problems for those who have a sensitivity. If you have certain pre-existing conditions, which we have described in this video, you should avoid turmeric tea altogether. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.